All right, ladies and gentlemen, we dey welcome all of now. Yes. You know, I dey feel like we're ready for house. You know, everybody just relax, just feel say, man, after work, after the Lagos stress, after the Abuja wahala, after the Kaduna sun and everything, just come back home, just relax, you know. So now relaxing P all of us. Now all of us did like this now. So we go enter the second level where they call the Koko of the day. Oh! Yeah! Yeah! Huh! Hey. All right. I don't time for the posture. Now, on top of the Koko for today, Covenant University. Things are happening. Easy bit now, like we rehearsed yesterday.
I didn't know. I don't ready before you talk about it.
Okay. So good. I will talk about again.
Okay.
Covenant University. Hey, easy bit.
No times now. Now the picture. The way
my
you
brother,
talk
now what you dey think? Okay, what you dey think?
I sure say guess matter don't involve.
No, be just guess. Inside Covenant University, inside that university, for their security level, their strictness, everything.
Street
oh,
die.
Lord,
Street die.
I said they wear uniforms sometimes.
Yes, the mosquitoes not they fly.
Oh, my brother. For this particular one now, 3 Covenant University students, they don't expel them for torchlighting reasons. One at 400 level, the other one at 300 level girlfriend. They can't catch them, they involve themselves, they record the whole thing. It's like, so no, this time are 2 offense now. Una torchlight 1, 2 una can't record down. The fools who can't get the whole gist. So they watch everything. Woo!
They say they enter their phone.
They enter phones now. And they say they hide the phone from the school.
That kind of thing. Not supposed to use any electronic gadget safe.
At all. Now they grab them. Oh. So expulsion now be the thing. One other postgraduate guy said, see there for the thing too. The friend 100 level student. What these girls say? Una like big things. 100 level postgraduate. The guy said collect expulsion. Now you know where they catch them? Inside one office. One of their office, one of their department, they they do the thing.
They do right.
You know, say CCTV there. Camera there for up, they look everything. Those guys when they look the camera, I know say they don't wait to watch everything first.
They don't monitor them. They don't go to observe them.
When they look there now, okay, you don't change now. Change your style. You don't see the thing finish, bam. Come here and say, come here.
Bros.
Well done. Oh yeah, expulsion straight. It's not be the first postgraduate student who did they expel for that school. First in history.
So what did they go come tell their parents now? In spite of the level where they don't reach.
My brother, see, that might not be all your friends when they see for house when they form say, our school is not in function. Some come house because they catch them, they torchlight too. So if you see any of your friends for house now, ask them, Benga, come here. What do you do for school? What make you do for house?
What be the Koko?
What is the Koko? Because anything will happen now, all right? So Covenant University, they remain strict forever. Now, Koko number 2.
I'm in love with the Koko.
Choy! I always love that.
I know that you like
it. Okay, now, faithfulness, integrity, and everything inside marriage. Now, one of the things where people they always do covenant for marriage.
Yeah,
so now me say when you don't enter inside marriage, you supposed just behave yourself with your partner so that go they on point together.
Not true.
Finish. Nobody this woman for inside Zimbabwe. The husband they sick for hospital. Oh. When you go to the farm taking care of husband, the woman leave the man for hospital, come go house, go touch that another man. So the husband there for hospital now they just say, my wife went to bring food for me. You know they say your wife went to shop food for herself. Hey. Now they nabamo say now one of their person just notice say the auntie just get some kind anyhow waka. So you decide to raise alarm and they grab the woman. No, say your husband there for hospital. You are here collecting something else from somebody. Easy bit.
Maybe she try raise money for the man for hospital.
Na contribution. Now she don't knock the whole street.
Because I don't know because wetin go make that woman go do that kind of thing in spite of the kind of pain where her husband they go through for hospital.
My brother, so maybe the woman don't they see the fine say make this man just come up for house one day. Maybe now give her sickness now. Maybe not look say like say this guy. Make I just give her one thing. Give her. The guy go to hospital. Hey, man, she's gonna sing. Hey, thank God, thank God. I call the Baba, show. Maybe we do show. As the guy land, but they can't ask the man how far. This woman said she married before. The guy said no. Said since last year September. Now that the groove they come. So not be say it just start now.
Wow,
it don't take before now.
That's bad. That's
Any
bad.
woman wait there outside there where they watch this thing like this now.
That's bad.
please be careful.
That's
be
right.
careful. When I don't sign contract and I don't enter covenant, please remain on the covenant level. God the punish you. God the punish.
God the punish.
God the punish. Easy bit, please. Please. When you marry, not cheat.
At all. At
Be
all.
somebody with integrity.
At all. We are sons
Yes.
and daughters of God, and we keep it that way. And
label.
we're very straight like
Labo.
That's all.
Okay, just in a serious P now. Forgive me soundtrack during this thing.
Okay,
In serious P now, please. If you did for house now, you know if you know or talk about where your husband or wife did now, call them. They feed this somebody else, somewhere else now. No, na joke. Because if you go break up some kind house, they go, where are you? They hold up. That line. What's in that horn while they here? It's horn. Anything if it go happen. Because na joke they joke because say one guy said on TV, he say me go call now, call the find out say the husband not there for house. You are cheating on me. Ogbolor, now you talk for TV. Na joke they joke. Easy beats. Now you talk about me.
No, by here.
All right, quickly. We'll come out match for inside the Koko of the day as we continue the rest of the show. Kelly Blind, Edo Charles, they go bust in the show. No. More gist, more yarn, the comedy P, just to make you laugh small. And then we'll continue the whole every. All right? W Late Night Show on top Twitter. We're not go there, we're going to knock us gist. We, they come back.